Welcome to The Explainer, right here at VibeDoc. If you're looking to get a handle on the world's most powerful new AI, well, you've definitely come to the right place. Today, we're handing you the ultimate player's guide to GPT-5.
So a new flagship model has just dropped, and believe me, it is a massive, massive leap forward in raw intelligence.
Yeah, they're calling it GPT-5, and it's built to be more capable right out of the box than pretty much anything we have ever worked with before.
What that means is the rules have totally changed, and your game is about to get a serious upgrade. So, you might want to grab your controller, because in this guide, we're going to teach you how to win.
Okay, Level 1. First up, you have to learn the controls. And it all starts with understanding this core mechanic that they're calling agentic eagerness.
The easiest way to think about this is like an aggro setting on your AI companion in a video game. You can tune it to be cautious and kind of hang back, or you can tell it to just charge ahead and take the initiative.
And here's the cool part. This is where you get to control that behavior directly with your prompts. So on the left, you've got cautious mode. You're basically telling it to be a scout. Get in, get the info fast, and limit your actions, what the pros call tool calls, to just a couple. But on the right, you've got autonomous mode. Here, you're unleashing it. You're telling it to be a full-on agent that relentlessly pursues the goal until it is 100% solved.
You can also command your AI to give you progress updates, almost like a real-time mission log. This makes sure you're never left in the dark about its strategy or what it's doing behind the scenes. It's kind of like having a co-pilot who talks you through every single move.
All right, let's move on to the main quest, Level 2, and see how this all builds up, generating entire applications from scratch. Now, to get the absolute best results, you're going to want to use the recommended meta build. Think of this as your optimal loadout for a mission. The source guide suggests that using these specific frameworks and libraries really gets the most out of GPT-5's pretty impressive aesthetic taste and its coding skills. And this just brilliantly shows the level of detail you can command. You can literally hand the AI a style guide, just like this one. You can set rules for everything from component simplicity to making sure spacing is always in multiples of 4, and it will code to your exact standards every single time. It's wild. And now for the really good stuff, the pro secrets. These were discovered by the team at the AI code editor Cursor while they were doing their alpha testing.
So with the older models, you basically had to spell everything out. Prompters had to explicitly tell the AI to be thorough, pretty much forcing it to double-check its work before it did anything. But here's the twist. GPT-5 is already so proactive that this old prompt actually caused it to overthink everything. It was wasting time on simple tasks, kind of getting stuck in this analysis paralysis. So they made this brilliant little adjustment. They just softened the language. They got rid of that aggressive maximize command, and instead, they gave the AI more agency, basically empowering it to decide for itself when it needs to search more. And that simple change, it resulted in much more efficient and intelligent behavior. And check out this crucial, super clever trick they came up with. They use the API settings, think of those as the AI's back-end controls, to set a parameter called verbosity to low. This gets them short, to-the-point progress reports. But then, in the prompt itself, they ask for high verbosity in the code, demanding detail with clear variable names and comments. It's really the best of both worlds. Quiet updates, but loud, clear code. And just like that, you've completed the tutorial. So let's wrap this up with a quick cheat sheet to help you absolutely dominate your own prompting quests. Okay, just remember these key takeaways. Control that eagerness, always demand a plan of action, give it a style guide, and most importantly, trust the model's intelligence. You want to guide it, not micromanage it. And hey, for a real power move, ask GPT-5 to help you improve your own prompts. This guide really gives you the power to build some incredible things, from simple scripts all the way to entire applications. So, we really want to know, what's the first quest you're going to tackle? Go ahead and let us know down in the comments below. If these tips helped you level up your prompting game, do us a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more guides from us here at VibeDoc. Thanks so much for joining us.